Hi guys, this is Jamal with Kind Home Loans.
Hey everybody, it's Darius with Kind Home Loans.
Thank you very much for watching our channel. Darius, you know that we have grown this channel. Almost 7,000 to 8,000 people are viewing this. Thank you very much. And if you are watching this first time, please subscribe to this channel because we give really important information about loan. So tell me, Darius, what's happening in the market?
As you all know, it's extremely competitive. We are having so many of our realtors reaching out to us asking how they can strengthen their offers. And this is very important because there have been properties that have had over 100 offers on them.
Wow.
Yeah, and the reason for this is because obviously the interest rates are still very low. We know that people are paying a premium when they're renting in Los Angeles County. So people are like, why am I gonna continue to waste money on rent? Let me buy something. And with the first time buyer programs, they can buy with as little as 0 down or 3% down or 3.5% down. So what we need to do is get those people pre-approved and now make their offers as competitive as possible to compete with these many offers that are being put out there.
So what do you do for that? What is your suggestion or what is your trick? So hear out everybody.
Comes down to two things, guys. One is once we have the full pre-approval documentation to make sure the client is absolutely bulletproof, to make sure that they're very qualified, and to make sure they'll have no issue with their qualification, we can do one of two things. The first thing is we can write with no loan contingency.
Wow, no loan contingency.
No loan contingency.
Okay.
What this means is that we're guaranteeing the loan for your client. So we're not gonna have to wait the traditional 17 days or even a reduced 12, 10, or 5 days. We're saying that our client's loan is fully guaranteed at Kind Home Loans.
Wow, so what it means basically that you are writing almost a cash offer and you have a big team of Kind Home Loans backing you up.
Exactly.
What next?
100%. Next is appraisal contingency. Now this, sometimes you will want to remove it and sometimes you won't want to remove it. This is very important for the real estate agent to step in, the one that's representing the buyer, and to say, hey, this is really what the house is worth. There are many properties where the offers are coming in and people are, offering above the asking price.
For sure.
So sometimes you can run into an issue where they're offering too high above the asking price and the appraisal is not coming in. So what's gonna happen is, while you're in escrow, they're gonna expect you to close even if that appraised value doesn't come in, and the buyer is gonna have to cover that difference if you're removing both your contingencies.
True, but looking at the market currently, Darius, I noticed that even the appraisals are very liberal right now because they are giving really good values and the homes are rising.
They are. And I just like to give worst case scenario just so you understand what you're doing when you're removing your contingencies, correct? So, if you do those two things and you do, let's say, a 20-day closing or a 17-day closing. I just did a 17-day closing for a client. We actually had 17 days on contract and we closed in 15. So about 2 weeks to close it. That is a bulletproof offer. And that's an offer that's gonna be, looked at much differently than a lot of the offers that are coming in.
That makes sense because you see right now the competition is on. For you realtor partners, if you want your offers to get accepted, listen to Darius, do the same thing, bring your clients' documents in so we can pre-approve them, bulletproof, and you can write offer as good as cash offer. With that, anything else you have to add?
Quick success story I want to actually tell everyone out there.
Do it.
So everyone, we just had a client, there are multiple offers on so many properties out there, but there's also properties that have kind of been sitting on the market. It's kind of okay to take a look at those properties that have been sitting on the market. We had a client who found a home that she absolutely loved at $700,000. We found out that she's only qualified for $650,000 after DU approval, and we said, hey, this is what we can guarantee your loan out. She wrote the offer at $650,000 at a $50,000,
lower than the asking
lower than the asking price. She got her offer accepted because we did no loan contingency.
Wow.
We did a reduced appraisal contingency.
Wow.
We knew the value was going to come in, and when the appraisal came in, it came in at $680,000, so $30,000 higher than what she had bought it for. So it works. It really does, and this is how you should be writing your offers. So get us your documentation, as Jamal said, and let's get your clients pre-approved and let's write some strong offers.
So guys, remember this, having a strong loan officer partner helps you. Keep on watching Kind Home Loans, this channel. Bye-bye.
Signing off.